Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So we are actually going to a beautiful lake today. This lake is actually situated between Neral and Murbad Road. So we are right now on our way to Neral. So we have just reached the Neral highway, or we are taking a turn towards the Murbad Road. Now this is Neral city from where we are actually going in. Uh, this city is basically a town and not a city. It's pretty small. Once I slowly move towards the railway track, the railway crossing, I will once the railway crossing is out, uh, which I'm crossing right now, the Neral railway crossing. Now I am towards the Murbad highway. So this is basically the Murbad highway from where I am traveling. So now I will be traveling for around 6 kilometers approx in this highway. This will help me reach the particular destination where we are planning to go today. This lake is very beautiful. This is something which people have not talked about. I haven't seen anything. So this is basically the Ullas River that I'm crossing right now. So I've crossed the Ullas River. So what I was talking was basically people haven't visited this place at all, or very less people have visited this place. So there is very less amount of information about this particular place right now. तो कोई ज़्यादा लोग आते नहीं हैं यहाँ पे, which is actually disappointing. So I have just turned into that particular place. This is the highway. This is where we leave the highway and get into this off-roading track. Slowly and steadily we are moving towards the lake. The lake is called as Ausre Lake, and I'm not pronouncing this correctly, but I'll surely give you the exact name. This is not a place where many people have visited, so this is my first time. I hope this is a good place and I enjoy. Though I have seen one video recently which was pretty good. I like the photographs and the video that that person has shared. So I'm hoping that I will also enjoy, and I am driving my Perak to this particular off-roading. Many people had questions like, does Perak do off-roading? So you can see here clearly that I'm driving it pretty confidently and there is no challenges that I'm facing here. So that should be good enough. So बहुत लोगों ने कहा है कि Perak का ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस बहुत ख़राब है, और उस वजह से इट इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट to ride a bike like Perak in such situations, like a situation of an off-road. So you can see that this road isn't good enough to be called as a smooth road, but I can drive very easily. There isn't any challenges. आगे चल के अगर रास्ता और ज़्यादा ख़राब होगा, so we can see more how Perak performs. But I have done some off-roading, so I'm pretty confident that shouldn't be a challenge for Perak. That's the reason I'm talking about it. All the best, guys. Just watch the video and enjoy it till the end. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Traveling Monk of India. Came by my bike Java Perak, so you can see my bike out there. It is standing high and tall. It looks beautiful. The birds are chirping. So आज का जर्नी कुछ ऐसा है कि आज मैं एक ऐसे लोकेशन पे हूँ जिसको बोलते हैं आरवे डैम। ये एक लेक है जिससे पानी आसपास के गांव के इरिगेशन के लिए दिया जाता है। दिस इज़ नॉट ए ड्रिंकिंग वाटर। सो मैं यहाँ पे कल ही मुझे इस जगह का पता चला। दिस इज़ नॉट वेरी फार अवे फ्रॉम मुंबई। इट्स प्रॉब्ली अराउंड 90 or 100 kilometers, 90 kilometers max, I believe, 95 kilometers. You can come through Panvel and then get into Neral. From Neral, this is situated near the Neral Murbad highway. So I came here searching for a nice place, and I was able to locate it, and I'm really happy that I came here because this is very calm, scenic beauty. During rainy season it will be awesome. So probably next time when I come, I'll come during rainy season. I may also come probably with some of my friends very soon. This location is very scenic. I spoke to one of the person who take care of this particular dam or the lake. He said that the morning sunrise are awesome. You should come at around 6:30 6:45 and फिर आपको बहुत सुंदर सनराइज़ दिखेगा। इस तरफ जो है यहाँ पे भीमा शंकर हिल्स है। At the end you can see Bhima Shankar hills out here, and on the other side you can see Matheran hills. So that is basically Matheran ka point. This Matheran point is also the hill station which is nearby to Mumbai. I have already done few videos on Matheran hill station, so you guys can come there too. That is also a very beautiful place. I enjoyed my ride with my Perak, my Java Perak. So this has been a very nice time. Probably from the time I received my Java Perak, I felt like I got some wings because of lockdown we can't travel much. But if you have a bike like this, you can take it out, go to some nearby places, explore some nearby places. And it is not that I have been exploring nearby places to my house. मेरे घर के पास वाले nearby places में बहुत कम explore करता हूँ. But fortunately because of lockdown, that is one thing that we started looking at. What are places nearby to you which will be more beautiful and you can enjoy your day out there. So I did this today. I actually searched it in Google yesterday. I was able to figure it out. This is a dam which is nearby. Then I got 1 or 2 YouTube videos also where people have come to this particular place. It's called Arve Dam, Arve Lake. I may not be pronouncing it correctly, but you can see here the exact name out here. So that is actually the best part. मुझे ये लगता है कि आप आपके घर के आसपास के जगह को एक्सप्लोर करो. Not only for all Mumbaikars, this is also for people all over India. There are beautiful places nearby your house you may not be even knowing, or you haven't ever bothered to look into. So that is a request to all कि भाई please look around, look at places that can actually satisfy you. I enjoyed my ride today with my Java Perak. It was a solo ride, so I always enjoy solo ride, and there was no one. So unfortunately I would have loved to bring some of my group people from the Java, but unfortunately since I got this place a little bit late today, so I thought of trying this first on my own, because if I say someone and people says in Mumbai they will come, and unfortunately if this place doesn't looks good, then it will be a boo-boo for them and for me also. So I thought let me explore this first, let me see if this place is really good. then I can recommend others. So now I'm making a YouTube video. I am pretty confident that people will love this place. This is actually very secluded. You don't have anyone around. मैंने आप अभी तक लास्ट 1 घंटा हो गया मैं यहाँ पे हूँ, मैंने किसी को नहीं देखा है. It's like सुनसान. No one comes here. So ideally guys, please come, enjoy this place. There are lots of small villages around. If you guys start coming in, people, you can generate a little bit of income also for these people out here. So in that way also it is needed, because this is a time of a pandemic. I know people are struggling. So if you want to chill out, come to such places which are close to your house, which are secluded. You go, you buy from here some chota mota cheese also, that will also help them. Because I know everyone is struggling with the businesses. So that is why I would suggest ki please go ahead, do these things. It will be really helpful for others also, and also you can enjoy. So that is my recommendation. मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि मैं हिंदी में बोलूँ, बट अपने आप इट कम्स आउट. इट इज़ हैपनिंग अननोइंगली दैट आई स्टार्ट टॉकिंग इन इंग्लिश. तो आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट. फॉर ऑल माई व्यूअर्स, please enjoy, start subscribing to my channel, enjoy the beautiful places that I go. Also I would need a little bit of a suggestion. What more should I bring, add to my videos, so that you guys can enjoy more. So that is something that I want you guys to talk about. आप लोग मुझे बताओ कि मुझे क्या और ऐड करना चाहिए, ताकि आपको और मज़ा आए और मुझे भी बनाने में मज़ा आए. आज का राइड बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग था. एट द स्टार्ट आई लॉस्ट माई वे इन बिटवीन. तो मैं कहीं और ही घुस गया था गांव में, शेलू में, बिकॉज गूगल टोल्ड में कि एक और शॉर्टकट है. तो मैं वही लेने की कोशिश कर रहा था, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई लॉस्ट माई वे. मैं कहीं और ही पहुंच गया. एंड देन आई रिटर्न बैक, एंड देन आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि भाई जाना चाहिए या नहीं जाना चाहिए. देन आई थॉट सिंस आई हैव कम हियर आई शुड figure this place out, and I went there. I figured it out, and I think this is a pretty nice place, and my efforts have been rewarded. So thank you very much guys. Subscribe to my channel please. I want at least 100 likes. If anyone I hardly get views so this is like over expectation, but बस मुझे चाहिए 100 likes. Do whatever you want to do, जो करना है करो, पर 100 लाइक्स चाहिए मुझे प्लीज़. और डिसलाइक्स चाहिए, जो चाहिए लेकिन चाहिए मुझे जो. सो दैट्स ऑल आई हैव फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर प्लेस. आई टेक सम क्लिक्स, आई टेक सम वीडियोज़ एंड फोटोज़, and then I'll share those with you guys.